What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to build your website using AI and the website builder by GreenGeeks, okay? And the best part, you can start things into a very cheap price with all the tools that you need to build your site online, to grow, protect, and best part, all with renewable energy, okay? All with green energy. And let's get things started. First, you can choose your plan, okay? I'm using the hosting for WordPress, but it's all up to you, okay? You can see the plans. Then you're gonna need to log in on your account. You can purchase your domain there as well. And after getting all done, you can see this dashboard right here, okay? Once on this dashboard, go on your website, manage. Right here, review the left sidebar of menus and go to WordPress next to email and install and manage. We're going to be using WordPress, okay? So click on install WordPress into this green button into the upper right corner of my screen, and we have three options. I recommend that you use this one right here, WordPress plus AI. We're going to select. Here is the domain protocol. Up to you, okay? Language, folder, admin username, admin password, and admin email, okay? I recommend that you use a real email that you have access, okay? Like this. Click on install WordPress. Starting something amazing. This will only take a moment. I won't cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes, closes, and automatically you're gonna be able to see your WordPress installed right here. You can see two buttons, My Dashboard and Manage. If you click on Manage, you can update password, disable plugins, and delete installation. Let's go to WP Dashboard, okay? Once on Dashboard, you're gonna be able to see into the upper left corner of your screen the Site Assistant. Click on it. Then you're gonna be able to see the Site Assistant by GreenGeeks, the website builder. So click into this green button, create your website now. Describe the website you would like to build. I'm gonna use this prompt right here. In the case that I want, I can send the prompt for you, okay? Just let me know into the comments. But basically, what I'm asking, create a modern, elegant, and premium website for a web design agents called Visualmodo. The website should feel sculptural, creative, trustworthy, and visual impressive, okay? And I'm describing what I need on the website, for example, footer, page, sections, okay? Just like this. You can enhance with AI, in the case that you want to enhance the prompt, or just click on next button. I'm gonna click on next. Now, all I have to do is wait for the magic to happen, okay? Once again, I will not cut a video so you can see the time that it actually takes to get things done. But while we wait, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Moreover, I'm gonna give a link where you can contract the services into a cheap price with all the quality and also help my channel, okay? So let me know and review into the comment section or into the video description for the link, okay? As you can see the what the AI is doing, okay? Adding page testimonials. While you wait, let's check the Trustpilot. It's a review platform that share GreenGeeks. They have a very good reputation, okay? You have more than 1,000 reviews and it's almost 5 out of 5, okay? Now, let's see the magic happen. Your site is ready. Want to explore other designs? So, as you can see, there is other designs that the AI shares with me, but I can click and do a quick edit into this button. For example, I can enter a link in the case that I want, or ask AI, make it bold, italic, anything that I want. For example, right here, I can customize the text or ask the AI to do something for me. And here are the sections. As you can see, it's a pretty effective, a pretty good website. it's already how you have a website ready to work. If you click into Quick Edit, you can just hover your mouse over some section of your site and ask for edit. For example, click right here on Quick Edit and ask AI to pick from media library, upload a new image, or generate a new image using AI, or select search a new image. Okay, if you remove the Quick Edit, you can go into the upper right corner of your screen into block editor to open the WordPress native editor, the blocks editor, and you can customize just like you do into normal websites, but with this special button to ask AI, for example, to improve the writing, or to simplify language, or to make shorter, anything that you want. You can enter a link, and of course, there is the AI agent that you can open and ask some things. For example, change website colors, change website title, change website logo. They're gonna bring for you the logo that you can click, go to media library, select a logo type, or upload a new one and save. Or change, for example, the website title. And the AI gonna ask you, what would like your new website title to be? All you have to do is write your title and type enter to change the title. Just remember to always hit the save change button into the upper right of the screen, okay? Also, into this page, we can explore AI page generation, in the case that you want, or design. There is some pre-built designs, okay? For example, some pricing page sections that you can start with. Imagine that you don't have to start from scratch. You can start with a ready page, with already layouts. Some products page design. Some hero design. Some blogs. Anything. All you have to do is click and get it onto your page faster. And all in the case that you want, okay? So you can see every single piece of design. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Visualmodo WordPress of amazing WordPress themes, okay? Visualmodo portfolio. And something that I would like to give attention into the GreenGeeks dashboard, okay? Go to the upper right corner of your screen, click on your profile and enable dark mode. I love when hosts offer this on dashboards, okay? This makes the dashboard really simpler. And in the case that you want to go further, you can click on manage, in the case that you want, back to your website. And you can explore other things, for example, review disk space usage, bandwidth usage, emoji usage. You can explore your domains, you can check security. The website, you can access file manager, app installer, and other very useful features. For example, the cPanel. In the case that you want, you can access the cPanel right here. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Also, don't forget to click into the link that I'm gonna leave. See you guys again. All the best.